Right. Welcome back to your favorite physics class once again. So today we are going to discuss 21 to 30 questions. So let us see 21st question. A cyclist moving on a circular track of radius 40 meter completes half revolution in 40 seconds. Its average velocity is. My dear children, already you know very well average velocity is equal to net displacement by total time taken, that is average velocity. Let's hear a cyclist moving on a circular track of radius 40 meter, so completes half revolution. Here completes half revolution. Here completes half revolution. Suppose this point is A, this point is B. Then average velocity means net displacement. Displacement from shortest distance from initial point to final point. It means initial position to final position. This is the displacement. So this is 40. This is also 40 meter. So here net displacement is equal to 80 meter by total time taken. So it completes half revolution in a 40 second. So 40 second. So 41 ja 42 ja, that is equal to 2 meter per second. So average velocity is 2 meter per second. So for 21st question, the option 2 is the right answer. Right. Next year, my dear children, next year 22nd question. A quantity has a value of minus 6 meter per second. It may be the here first of all here unit meter per second. So meter per second is the unit for meter per second means distance per time or displacement per time. So it may be speed or velocity. Now here already you know very well speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. So here observe here minus is there. This minus represents direction. That means minus 6 meter per second means it is a vector quantity. It is equal to velocity of a particle. So for 22 question, the option 2 is the right answer. Next here, my dear children, 23rd question. An insect moves along the sides of a wall of dimensions 12 meter and 12 meter into 5 meter. Right, 12 meter into 5 meter. Right, here this is 12 meter, this is 5 meter. So an insect moves. Here insect, consider this is the insect. This insect moves along the sides of a wall 12 meter and 5 meter, starting from one corner and reaches diagonally opposite corner. Suppose this is the A is the one corner and B is the diagonally opposite corner. If this insect takes 2 seconds for its motion, then find the ratio of average speed to average velocity. So my dear children, already we know very well average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. So total distance means the actual length covered by the body. Here actual length is 12 meter plus 12 meter plus 5 meter. Okay, then total time taken. So it takes 2 seconds. So that is equal to 17 meter per 2 seconds. This is average speed. Then calculate average velocity. Average velocity means it is equal to net displacement. Average velocity equal to net displacement by total time taken. Total time taken, that is equal to net displacement. Net displacement means, that means my dear children, This A is the initial position, B is the final position. Displacement means the shortest distance between initial position to final position. So calculate this shortest distance. Already you know very well, according to Pythagoras theorem, this is 12, this is 5 means this is how much? Then calculate. AB whole square is equal to 12 whole square plus 5 whole square. That is equal to 144 plus 5 square means 25. That is equal to 169. Then AB is equal to root 169. That is 13. So here net displacement is 13 meter and total time is 2 seconds. So then find the ratio, that is average speed to average velocity. So average speed 17 meter by 2 second and average velocity 2 second by 13 meter. So 2 second gets cancelled. That ratio is equal to 17 is to 13. So the answer is option 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next go to 24th. 24th question. When the distance traveled by an object is directly proportional to time. Here, when the distance traveled by an object is directly proportional to the time, it is said to travel with dash. Here already we know very well there is a relationship between distance time and time, that is according to second equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square. So it is said to travel with dash. So here relation is S is proportional to T. S is proportional to T means this acceleration should be equal to 0. Be equal to 0. Be equal to 0 means the body moves with constant speed. When the body moves with constant speed, then only the acceleration is equal to 0. That when the acceleration is equal to 0 and here u is constant speed, because here question is distance. If question is distance, this u should be speed. If in the question in the place of distance, if displacement is there, then u is velocity, but here s is distance, so u should be speed. If this is constant, then only s is proportional to t, directly proportional to t. So the body should move with a constant speed. It is said to be travel with a constant speed. Clear, my dear? Then go to 25th question, that is rate of change of velocity. That means how much change in velocity in 1 second. That is equal to acceleration. The rate of change of velocity with time is equal to acceleration. Then go to 26th question. My dear children, go to 26th question. Go to 26th. 26th. Yes. 26th question. Right, look at the screen. Look at the screen. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. The acceleration of the bus. Already we know very well acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity. That is v minus u by t. Right here 80 km per hour. This is the initial speed or initial velocity, and 60 km per hour, this is a final velocity, and here time is 5 seconds. Then calculate the acceleration. Here see, once observe, speed is decreasing. Speed is decreasing means here brakes are applied. So the acceleration must be in a negative, because acceleration is opposite to the direction of motion of the body. That means the answer should be a negative. That means we, in the place of we, write 60 kilometer per hour minus u 80 kilometer per hour. So a 60 minus 80 kilometer per hour, and time is in 5 seconds. So here change in velocity is in kilometer per hour, time is in 5 seconds. So convert kilometer per hour into minus 20. This is convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Already we know very well, in the place of kilometer per hour we can write 5 by 18 meter per second, and this is 5 seconds. So 5 gets cancelled, and my dear children, this is 2 10 ja to 9 ja, that is equal to minus 10 by 9 meter per second square. Minus 10 by 9, 10 by 9 means that is 1.1 meter per second square. So for 26th, option 3 is the right answer. 3 is the right answer. Next here, 27th, the CGS unit of acceleration is. Already we know very well, acceleration means rate of change of velocity. The unit of velocity is centimeter per second, and time second. So centimeter per second into second, that is equal to centimeter per second square. So option 4 is the right answer. Next, 28th question. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? Not a vector quantity. Here retardation is nothing but negative. That means speed is decreasing, so it is a vector quantity. Next, acceleration due to gravity, it is also a vector quantity. Displacement, it is a vector quantity. So here average speed is a scalar quantity. So it is the right answer. So average speed is a scalar quantity. So it is not a vector quantity. Next here, 29th question, my dear. Twenty-ninth question, a rubber ball dropped from a certain height is an example of. Here a dropped means its initial speed is equal to 0. Is an example of. If any body is dropped, it fall under the effect of gravitational force. So it is a free fall. Free fall means only here gravitational force acts. So, and this body moves with uniform acceleration, because here speed is increasing per second. So it moves with a uniform acceleration. So option 1 is wrong answer. It is moving with uniform acceleration. Option 2 is also wrong answer, because it is moving with uniform acceleration. And third option is uniform speed, because your speed is not uniform. Your speed is increasing for each second. So it is also wrong answer, and it is moving with the non-uniform speed. So option 4 is the right answer. Next here, my dear, 30th question. If the displacement, no, this time displacement of an object is proportional to square of time, then the object moves with. Here, here displacement is equal to ut plus half a t square. So your displacement is proportional to t square. So displacement is proportional to t square means this initial velocity should be 0. Initial velocity should be 0. Initial velocity should be 0, and acceleration should be uniform. Then only this is possible. That means body moves with uniform acceleration, and it starts from rest. So for 30th question, option 2 is the right answer. Option 2 is the right answer. Option 2 is the right answer.